And now for our weekly look at legal issues in the news with our in-house legal expert, attorney Tom Olsen. This is Olsen on Law.
It is Olsen on Law. Alan Spector here, and every Thursday at this time, we bring you Olsen on Law with longtime Orlando attorney Tom Olsen. Tom, good morning.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
All right, our topic this morning, StepUp basis. In case you don't know what that is, and I sure don't, we're going to find out from Tom right now. I understand it involves taxes. Now, we all want to save taxes. In fact, none of us want to pay taxes at all in the first place, but we do. So what, Tom, is the StepUp basis? How can it save us on taxes? And I think we're specifically talking about capital gains taxes here.
Exactly. Saving capital gains taxes. So it says this. If mom bought a house back in the good old days for $50,000, and upon her death, her children inherit that house, and at that moment in time, the house is worth $250,000, the children's capital gains tax basis is stepped up to the value at the date of her death of $250,000. So if mom passes away and they turn right around and sell her home for $250,000, the kids are going to pay absolutely no capital gains taxes.
So step up for savings, everybody. So suppose the kids get this house from mom for $250,000. They hold on to it for a few years, and then they sell it for $275,000.
In that situation, they paid capital gains on their $25,000 profit. So when you inherit a house, if your intention is to sell it within 6 to 9 months, you do not need to get it appraised, because what you sell it for, we can assume is what it was worth at the moment that mom passed away. If you intend to hold on to that piece of property for a number of years, then you would want to get it appraised so that you could prove to the IRS what it was worth when mom passed away.
That IRS, always with the questions. What's up with that, Tom? Now, does the step-up basis only apply to real estate? Can it be used in other avenues?
It can be used for all kinds of assets: real estate, stocks, investments, mutual funds, the stock that your mom bought in Tesla, hopefully. It can be used for the painting hanging on the living room wall. So it applies across the board to all kinds of assets.
My mom had never heard of Tesla, so I doubt that she had any stock in it. And the painting hanging on my living room wall, I did that. So I'm not sure how much value it has.
It's got to be priceless then.
Yeah, exactly. If you have legal questions, Tom will be happy to answer them on the Olsen on Law show. That is heard Saturdays at 1 p.m. on News Radio WFLA Orlando. And keep in mind, Tom and I do this Thursday morning segment on Zoom, and we actually save the video so you can watch it on our Facebook page. Tom, thanks very much, and we will see you next time.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olsen Law Group in Orlando.